Okay, so here is my pop-on veneer review. Absolutely love it. Comes in your little box right here. And your little thing right here that your teeth will come in. So they send you a box which has putty stuff like in it for mold. Mold your teeth, and then you send it back in. Okay. Then they also send you your 3D print of your teeth, which I thought was pretty cool. And they give you this little bag to put it in. So if I can get it out. So this is what mine look like. Okay. This is my teeth before the veneers. Not the greatest. Also, you get this toothbrush. This is a very soft bristle that you use on your veneers. Use this on your veneers so you don't mess them up. Okay? They also give you some cleaner, which is really cool. Okay, so no further ado, here are my veneers that I got in that I absolutely love. Okay, as you can see, this is my bottoms. They literally snap on. And see, that's it. Now you may talk a little funny in the beginning, because of course it's something you get used to that's in your mouth. Pop them down, make sure that they are secure. Anyways, I'm very happy. I went with the natural white on mine because they're pretty white, so I love them, and I've always been self-conscious about my teeth and my smile, so this is a game changer. Boost of confidence. Anyways, thank you, Pop On Veneers.